Hi, I am Daniel To Hao. As of January 2024, I have been a software engineer at NCS Singapore for 4.5 years. In June 2019, I graduated with an honors degree from NUS Mechanical Engineering. At that time, I was very new to the programming world and began from the ground up. In July 2019, I joined the NCS Nucleus program, which has been sponsoring my master's degree studies until now in 2024. During my work at NCS, I have contributed to application development, testing, deployment, and production support for projects at the Singapore Police Force and Singapore Civil Defence Force, such as the Police Human Resources System called PERSHUB, the Police Frontline Equipment Issuance System called FIS, and SCDF's meal claiming kiosk system called iConsume. At NCS, I have also served as a trainer for newly employed software engineers. In 2023, I was a presenter for 5 rounds of an internal SQL database course from June to October, each run involving between 10 to 50 participants, depending on the intake of new employees for the month. The NUS ISS Stackable Masters program has given me the opportunity to freely design and construct my own web applications and DevSecOps pipelines, while trying out new techniques along the way, such as the WebSocket protocol, graph databases, and machine learning from a big data pipeline. These are all things that I would not have been able to experience from just my full-time work alone, because at work there are a lot more red tape restrictions and approval processes to go through that control what one can or cannot do. So doing the NUS ISS program alongside my NCS work has allowed me to grow rapidly from the ground up. The first year was about DevOps, cloud, and scalability. I used that experience to gain an AWS Associate Developer Certificate. The second year was about cybersecurity, which turned DevOps to DevSecOps. I used that experience to gain an AWS Professional DevOps Engineer certificate. The third year was about big data and machine learning. I also used that experience to gain an AWS Machine Learning Specialty certificate. In future, I would like to explore about adding microcontrollers into my capstone project. Beyond the master's program, I'm also thinking of exploring decentralized applications on a blockchain such as the Internet Computer Protocol, which is called ICP. This has the potential to eliminate certain cybersecurity issues, such as the unauthorized modification of data, as well as spoofing.